So many updates, guys. So many wait, no, not here. So many updates. Samsung stock applications, it's really crazy. Samsung account, new version. Samsung's checkout, the AR emoji editor, the video editor, the gallery widget, Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, the Deco Pick, the Samsung TTS theme park updated, sound assistant updated, nice sketch updated, home app updated, and last but not least, Routines Plus updated. So I had to do this video, guys, because really too many things to really not care about. If you're here for the first time, you might want to check some of my other videos, and before we continue, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Deeply appreciate it, guys, and now let's dive in. Let's start with Samsung account. Samsung account has been now updated to the version 13.1011 from the 17th of January. What is new? Creating a new account or logging in requires two-factor authentication. Well, very much thank you, guys. It's 2022 and it's good that we have two-factor authentication. Samsung checkout also has been updated. Version right now is 50500 from the 25th of January. Yeah, no changelog. Alright. Now we have the AR emoji editor. What is new here? Added wrinkles option to face style decoration feature, added color changes feature to some of the accessories, eye patches, earrings. Wow, sounds very, very exciting. Version is 4.7.0.0.14 from the 24th of January. And yeah, I can now just see all this nice thing you can do. So if you're into this, yeah, please enjoy. Video editor, by the way, a very nice application, probably worth even of standalone video. So the version right now is 4.2.8.0.18 from the 11th of January. Yeah, okay, no changelog, you know, like my favorite changelogs. Then we have gallery widget, guys, and I can tell you what's new. Some people gonna go crazy over this stories feature added. So now you can apparently have your own stories in the gallery widget. The version is 4.0.0.05 from the 24th of January. Then we have the Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, which is, by the way, a very useful tool if you're coming from an iPhone. Yeah, don't know really a lot of people that are doing it, but anyway, if you do so, please use this tool. The version right now is 3.7.2.6.10 from the 24th of January. Yeah, no changelog at all. Then we have the Deco Pick, lowest rating ever, okay, 3.0.0.0.49 from the 21st of January. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can just see the kind of things you can do with Deco Pick. Then we have the Samsung TTS, which is the text to speech. Alright, 3.1.0.2.93 from the 24th of January. Again, no changelog. And then, guys, probably the most important thing, we have theme park, we have sound assistant, we have nice sketch, we have home app, we have Routines Plus, and you can see we have update info, which is really very good. I'm not sure why they're not doing this for the other applications. So theme park is now up to version 1.0.9.10 and UI is improved and other errors correction. The sound assistant has been up to version 4.1.0.6.6, fixed an issue where the app sometimes quits during boot up, which is actually very bad. Nice sketch updated to version 1.1.0.1.04, improved performance, and then home app, probably one of the best good luck modules. Version 13.0.0.3 fixed the layout error of app folder after the SOS upgrading tablet. And then we have the Routines Plus version 0.1.3.3 fixed FC issue during saved button action. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna hit that update button and let's just try to see how much of these things I can show you in a video. Jesus Christ, the AR emoji editor is almost 70 megabytes. So guys, unless you're not a big fan of creating AR augmented reality emojis, then maybe you can just skip it. It's 70 megabytes, guys, alright? And you know, size matters, right? This is what they tell us. Size matters. The video editor was only 26 megabytes, and I can tell you can probably do more things with this compared to the AR widget. The widget from the gallery was very small. The Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, 17 megabytes. Jesus, why does augmented reality just take so much space? Deco Pick, probably useless app, 15 megabytes, guys. But okay, I need to do it so that you don't have to do it and I install everything. Samsung TTS, only 7 megabytes, and now we really come to the real thing. Theme park, only 12 megabytes, guys, and you can do wonders with theme park. Samsung did have the material UI before Google. Sound assistant only 18 megabytes, and remember, you can also do nice tricks with this. It has the so-called Bluetooth metronome where you can adjust the delay of a Bluetooth device, which is really crazy. Never seen this in another stock ROM mobile operating system. Nice sketch, also quite nice. And see here, home app, 7 megabytes, and this is probably the best module in good luck. It's only 7 megabytes. Again, the AR smiley thing was 70 megabytes. And the Routings Plus, guys, also can do wonders with the Routings Plus. I did cover this extensively in a standalone video. And yeah, everything now up and running. All my apps are now updated, so let me try to show you some meaningful stuff. Here I have the gallery widget, guys, and yeah, I added the widget on my screen. Now when you go inside settings, you're gonna have here the images to show, and you have these options: all stories, specific story, and then the previous available one, specific album and specific images. So now if you are creating your own stories, guys, then you can just go and use them and show them. I mean, if you are really into stories thing, and that's not really my thing, but hey, I'm not judging, I'm just telling you it's available. It's time to start Good Luck, so I'm gonna go inside my applications and click on Good Luck. Good Luck, redesign your Galaxy again. I'm just thinking, guys, Good Luck is probably why the Samsung One UI 4 is easily one of the best mobile operating system out there. I said it for many reasons, but it's very easily customizable, doesn't really require any special knowledge from the users, doesn't require for you to mess up with your phone security, like root it and etc. Install some custom modes and kernel modes and etc. It's very straightforward, and yeah, it's very straightforward, and it does offer an unprecedented level of customization. I want to show you something, guys. I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna click on the home app, right, and I'm going to implement home app right now. When I do so, I immediately go to my recent applications, and then I see I'm already using it, right, because this here is not the stock view. I want to show you at least one important thing so that you don't really feel like you screwed this by clicking this video, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can use home app and get like this vertical scrolling, because this one is so boring. I honestly don't have anything against this, but maybe you want to go like the standard Pixel stuff. You're gonna go and use a vertical scrolling. When you have your Samsung phone in the hand and you just do like this, you're gonna get to your applications and then you can scroll, but it's only horizontal. If you want to spice up things, guys, then you can use indeed Good Luck and of course the home app. Once you are inside home app, just go to home screen and there's something called apps list. You can change app tray to list style, and when I just select this one, guys, I do like this, and yeah, now I'm gonna have like this scrolling. And of course you can also modify here the priority apps, you can remove it, you can do wonders really with the search box. There are really plenty of things you can do. So when it comes down to these January stock Samsung updates, it's more about performance, it's more about bug fixes and improvements. There are no crucial functionalities, no new functionalities I can show you guys, but hey, I had to do it, guys. Please, you and your family, stay safe. Please like the video if you really enjoy what I'm doing, and yeah, we're gonna meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.